Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making air fried tostones. Now, tostones are normally fried in the pan, but I'm gonna make them a little healthier today. So I'm going to do the same process. The only difference is I'm gonna do them in the air fryer. And I'm also making an avocado salad. So that's why you see the avocados here and the peppers and onions and tomatoes. Okay, so I'm gonna start by chopping, peeling my plantain. I'm gonna cut this here. This makes it easier to cut when you do it this way. Yeah, but we have to start eating healthier. I know I have to. Even my children have to start eating healthier. I just was telling my oldest that he has to stop eating fast food because it's not healthy for you. And young people today are dying from heart attacks and high cholesterol. Okay, so this is peeled. So, oops, there's a piece that I want to take off. Alright, so that's that. Okay, now I just have to get my chopping board. Okay, here we go. So, if you've never made tostones before, this is how you make them. Chop them in about this size. I want to say a 1/2 inch.